Well, first of all, I'd like to congratulate you on your acceptance to the construction engineering program here at Arizona State University, and I'd like to welcome you to Tempe, Arizona. My name is Dr. Sam Ratnam, and I'm a professor in the construction engineering program chair. And tell you a little bit about myself. I'm involved with research in underground infrastructure systems, and particularly I do work in urban infrastructure related to utilities with using trenchless engineering methods and different construction applications to install and rehabilitate those vast network of underground infrastructure such as water and wastewater systems and telecom and natural gas and electrical and cable type infrastructure. So what are you doing in construction engineering? Well, it's a transdisciplinary program that encompasses the areas of geotechnical engineering, structural engineering, transportation engineering, construction engineering, and management related topics. So you really got a broad range of interest topics that you could study while doing the master's degree in construction engineering. And you could focus on a little bit more on any one of those areas if you choose. The degree program focuses on a combination of design and management topics that prepare the students for a career in the infrastructure and the interface of design and construction. So basically, you're looking at being able to design a project and also manage a project out in the field. So it gives you kind of the best of both worlds. And we're really especially desirable for those students who are interested in a career emphasizing the construction of infrastructure. Well, what are your career opportunities? Well, some of the job titles that you might have upon graduation would be a construction manager or a civil construction engineer, a project engineer, a construction or design consultant. I mean, construction engineering has its own professional engineering license, so you can actually get a license in construction engineering. My licenses my professional engineering license actually is in civil engineering because back then we didn't have licenses in construction engineering. A lot of companies that we work with that you can possibly get employed by, big companies that you may be familiar with like Bechtel, Stantec, Jacobs, Fluor, or some of the more local or companies or regional companies like McCarthy and Sunt Construction, all employ graduates of the construction engineering program. So why do you want to come to ASU and construction engineering in particular? Well, I'll tell you, one of our big strengths of our program is our industry engagement. You know, we have very strong partnerships with companies, not only here in the United States, but also internationally. We work all over the world with companies, and our students have been employed by companies all over. We have a very strong world-class summer graduate internship program, and this is really important, particularly if you haven't had a lot of experience in construction, or maybe some of your experience has been abroad internationally. And so what this gives you the opportunity, even as an international student, to get placed in the summer and work for a company and get paid. And what this really does, and we found that statistically what it's led to, a very high job placement rate upon graduation, because now you have that experience. And I personally have spoken with our employees and employers, and they're very, very happy with the graduates that we've had from this program. And particularly the internship program has helped a lot. ASU, of course, is a world-class university. It's recognized all over the world. And it provides you an opportunity to combine that academic studies with entrepreneurial skill sets. So when you graduate, you're going to be very uniquely qualified for the workplace. Thank you. And I look forward to meeting each and every one of you individually as you enter the construction engineering master's program. And remember, ASU, we're number one in the US for innovation. And this is something that you could really bring with you and really learn a lot being part of our program.